Hey guys, what's up? Dane here, and I'm doing a Xbox video. Sorry for the delay of videos, and sorry for my finger getting in the way of the camera. There's my finger. So we are doing another Hexbug video, and we are doing like a duel thing. Pick up my arena, and I'll try to do everything at once, but my brother kind of left, and it's kind of hard for me. Once you get all the Hexbugs in, try to get all the Hexbugs in. So for a second, you're going to be just seeing a little bit of it. There. That's good for you. Sure, I'll leave it there, but if it's not, I won't. Here we go. And all of them are in. Now I'll explain the rules in another separate video. If you can't hear me, it's because this part. Oh, we have our first winner. Brand new one. Got today. Put him right here. Can't see that. Sorry, can't help you with that. Alright, when you stumble into a problem like this, slowly take it out. Not brute. That completely wrecks the arena though. So, take hands, some other party's body, and you tear it off. And you make all of them come out. And I know Turbo was going this way. Now, you replace it. Stumble into a problem like this. Replace it. As quick as you can. And even you were going this way. You were coming out. Turbo is out of the hurdle. Oh, he's going back. Are you kidding me? Alright, now when you get into the black piece situation, push, pull this whole part off. You see, when two people get into the same thing, the first person that gets into it gets to have it. Ugh. There we go. Turbo, you back in there. Alright, and when two people are going the same way, force them out, run away, there we go, let this next one go, then rebuilding this as quick as you can. There's only 2 spaces left. where they can go in. So Darth Maul takes one of the places. There's one place left. There's the last place taken by Bluey. Turbo was left with nowhere else to go. He is eliminated. Place him back up here. And you take one of these away. And you unhook the rest of these. These go to that. I don't understand what's wrong with this one. Okay. It gets the clicking noise down. This one. Alright. So. Now. You lock everything in one place. For the 4-way. Just all of them down. All of them pumped up and ready. One place they can go through is here. And I go here. And now, this place gets opened. Oh. Alright. Bluey's first to get by. Oh. Next we have little Speedy. Is he even going? Sorry for not feeding away for a second. What is that? Is he even moving? Sorry if I break the arena a lot. It's the only way to make sure he's going. Alright, he's not going. Technically that means he automatically loses. You know, I can take this. Down. Make sure you're not moving. Sorry for the quite annoying sound. There, fix it. Now there's only 2 ways for him to go. Please don't go the way I want. I don't want you to. You went the way I didn't want you to. Alright. Or he gets into the trough. Take the pieces off. Alright, I'm getting in front of the camera. Dang, remind yourself. Alright. That is not cut. Alright. Lightning, fortunately your battery's low for some reason. I just got you today. Battery's low. There's 2 left, 3 competitors. Lightning, you're eliminated. So now, down to the top 3. 2 slots left. Where will they go? Nobody knows. Now let's find out. Now, only one person can take that first spot. Oops. Oh, it seems like the yellow thing. You keep getting in front of the camera, man. First up, one more space. Oh god, this piece. legitimate win. Oh, Darth Maul, man, I'm sorry. You lose. You can go through your last hurdles. Then you come out. You never come back in. Bang. Now, it's the fight to the finish. Who will win? Yellow or blue? Now let's find out. Bang. And wait for you to get to the top. Oh, I should have put yellow in first. It's actually only my two brothers' textbooks that are left. Oh, it's still a legitimate win if he wins it. Oh, sorry, man. You're still in your first freaking hurdle. Huh? He's still going. And our winner for this tournament is our yellow bug. Yellow. Second place, bluish green. Third place, red black. Fourth place, blue gray. Last but not least, my original hex bug. You all know him, Turbo. These are the 5 hex bugs that I have. Catch you guys all later in the next vid. Yo.